Never mind this bullshit. I'm just trying to find a black screen. Fuck it. Okay, so I'm gonna be dubbing Rosemary's, comic version of, like, Beyond the Ice Kingdom. Please know this belongs to her. Honestly, I couldn't really see, so I asked her for a script or something like that. Well, I didn't really quite ask her for a script. But, yeah. Okay. Oh, fuck, I realized how hard this is gonna fucking be hard to see. Okay. I'm gonna have to, like, either read it in a different kind of... God damn it, can I not, like... Okay. God, it does not work on side camera either. Okay, so I'm gonna try voicing this the best way I can. Also, if the camera is shitty and all, I'm gonna have to, like, fucking, I don't know. You're just gonna have to, like, turn your device sideways because of the camera being different, so yeah. Sleet, wait a second. What now? Do you think I'll go home with you back? Hold on, let me redo that. Sleet, wait a second. What now? Do you think I'll go with you back home? There's nothing waiting for me back there. I just wish you would consider it. It wouldn't be the same here without you. Alright. Yeah, things would get better. Besides, no one wants to live in the sixth circle anyways. Sixth circle or not, you're still my sister. Well, they don't act like you do. They don't treat you and I the same. They treat me like you're what does that say? What does that even say? Rosemary, I cannot read that. Shadow? It's like, so, like, hold on. They treat me like your shadow because I look different. Where about you? You have the same markings on your underbelly. I guess I couldn't hide in the snow with these colors, as well as you. We can make it right, I promise. Don't make promises you can't keep, Avalanche. I'm sure I can keep it this time. Oh yeah? How many times have you said that? Just stay with me, please. I can't make it on my own. And I care for you. I really do. And did what? I can't... What the hell? I can't just pretend I like it there. I see all the glares and the glances and the whispers. I don't want to try my hardest just to stay where I am now. Just promise me you will visit. We'll see.